In this video, I will show you how to play Age of Ashes on PC. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Age of Ashes is a game that's just come out. It's a role-playing game developed by Lennu Technology Co Limited. You can actually play this on your PC or Mac with something called the BlueStacks app player. Now, BlueStacks is an Android emulator, so what that means, it basically enables you to play any Android games on your PC or Mac for a better and more immersive gaming experience rather than playing on a mobile device. Now, to get started with this, what you're going to want to do is click onto the link in the video description beneath this video. What that's going to do is take you to a website like this, and from here you want to click onto the Play Age of Ashes PC button just here, and what that's going to do is start downloading the BlueStacks installer onto your PC. Once that's downloaded, what you can do is run the installer to install BlueStacks. So you just want to follow through the steps to install BlueStacks, and once that's done, you're going to get a window like this with a blue launch button. So what you want to do is click the launch button, and that's going to go ahead and open up BlueStacks on your PC. So be sure to click the link in the video description down below, as what that's going to do is start automatically installing Age of Ashes. So what we're going to do is just give that a minute to download and install. Now, just while that is installing, it's just a couple of things that I want to run through with you guys on why you should consider using BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC. For me, one of the biggest benefits of playing on PC is, of course, the option to use game controls. So I don't really get on with touchscreens on mobile devices, but using BlueStacks to play Android games allows you to use your keyboard or mouse, and there's even gamepad support for certain games. All the controls are preset, but of course you do have the option to customize them if you want to customize them for your personal preferences. It's also a multi-instance manager, which allows you to play multiple games simultaneously, as well as a cool macro feature which allows you to record and replay actions with just a single key press. One thing I really like about BlueStacks is the real-time translation feature. So what this does, it allows you to play any Android game in your local language. So if there's games that have come out in other countries, but say you're not able to play them for language barrier reasons, well, with BlueStacks you can now do this. Of course, playing on a PC or Mac is going to give you a much higher frame rate, so therefore leading to a much smoother and overall better gameplay experience. And of course, you can play your Android games in full HD. So that's just a couple of reasons, but as you can see, there's a ton of good reasons for why you would want to consider using BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC or Mac. So coming back to BlueStacks, as you can see, Age of Ashes has now finished downloading and installing. So once that's done, all you want to do is click the blue play button, and it's going to launch this on BlueStacks. When you first initially load the game, it's going to give you the option to sign in with Google, Facebook, or a guest account. So I'm just going to sign in with my Google account, just like so. And also, it's just going to take a minute or two to download any updates. And here we are, as you can see in game. So I'm just going to click to enter the game so you guys can see how this runs on BlueStacks. But straight off the bat, you can see this runs really smooth. There's no sort of lag, and just playing it on a bigger screen is just so much better. You can see the intro video is just so much clearer. So let's go ahead and choose our class. So let's go for this one here, and you can see that again this is running really smooth. The actual gameplay animations itself are very smooth, there's no lag or anything like that. And as mentioned, I'm using my mouse and keyboard to actually play the game, which again is so much better than having to use a touchscreen for myself personally. So what I'm going to do is create my character, and we're just going to jump into the game itself. So here we are in game. Now, as you can see, you can control it with your mouse, just like so. There's a little joystick down here, so you can hold down your mouse button and use that to control your character, to move them about, just like this. It's really, really easy to do. Or alternatively, you can use WSAD on your keyboard to move about. And if you actually want to know what the controls are to control the game, if you come to this menu on the right hand side, you want to click onto this keyboard button here, and you can see there's a button which says on-screen controls. So if we go ahead and turn this on, you can see all the keys are assigned to the different parts of the game. So as mentioned, WSAD to control your character, move him. You got space and all these buttons here to use things in your inventory. But of course, we can click onto this keyboard, click onto Controls Editor, and we can start to add our own controls as well. So that's how to play Age of Ashes on PC. As mentioned, I'll leave a link to the download in the description down below the video, so just give that a click to be taken to the website, click the play on PC button, and then follow the steps to download, install BlueStacks, and start playing Age of Ashes on your PC. If this video did help you out today, then I would really appreciate it if you was to consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.